Hello everybody, welcome to channel. So today what we are going to cook is a very famous Indian authentic dish. It is in Hindi it is called Keema and Kaleji. So Kaleji it is liver and Keema it is minced meat. So first what we need is this liver you need to make pieces like this for liver and make little garlic paste and apply this marinade with this garlic paste and keep this for 30 minutes or 40 minutes. What it do? It helps to eliminate the unpleasant aroma. So first step is this meat. No, you can use food processor or grinder, but why need with hand? Because we need minced meat like this, not finely grind. Okay, so this is both. This type, this enough. Okay, so move to next process. Just take it. So you can use any oil, olive oil or butter or ghee. Now we are going to use fat oil. But you can use any oil which you like.
बहुत सिंपल और शॉर्ट तरीका, टेस्टी एंड मसालेदार.
And now we will add this whole garam masala like jeera, black pepper, plus cardamom, big cardamom, green cardamom, bay leaf.
इसको हम चलाएंगे 2 मिनट.
So measurement I will tell you that we have liver and minced meat almost 1 kg. So कितना 200 होगा ना?
क्या? हाँ
200 ग्राम chopped onion.
तीन से 4 बड़े प्याज हैं. 3 से 4 प्याज हैं मीडियम साइज.
Now we need to roast onions and add tomatoes, almost 150 gram. And here this side we have roasted chops. This recipe is also on channel. You can see this.
इसे हम थोड़ा सा नरम करेंगे.
Now you have onions and
नरम करने तक.
and this is ginger garlic paste.
इसको सॉफ्ट होने तक करेंगे.
ये तो मस्त है.
इसी हिसाब से डालते हैं.
ये चटनी बना रही हूँ मैं. आप
चटनी
इसके बाद क्या होगा?
इसके बाद मजा आएगा.
Minced meat.
ये देखो ये गया
कलेजी का.
कलेजी अभी सीने में कलेजी में. इसको अभी 2 मिनट चलाते हैं.
Now need to roast 2 minutes on high flame. मम्मी ये फास्ट एंड इजी टेक्निक है ना? And this is my mother's recipe. Now we will add this ginger garlic paste. This is a very authentic Keema Kaleji recipe.
mom's kitchen.
ये मुझे अभी तक तो कच्ची लग रही है.
इसके
आपने इसको बनाने भी ब्राउन नहीं किया और मिर्चियाँ खड़ी कैसे
वो तूने कहा ना साथ से लाल हरी मिर्ची खाऊंगी चबा चबा के तू ही तो बोली
तोड़ के खाएंगे
ठीक है ना? इसको गलाते हैं प्याज और टमाटर
Okay, now we will cover it and
हाँ 2 विसिल बस
vessel. And if you don't have a this like this pressure cooker, then you can cook in normal. Yes. Now we will wait until 2 whistles. Now we will open this cooker.
अभी देखते हैं इसकी कंडीशन
चलिए रहा है।
भूनेंगे
Now this process called bhanai. So I don't know how you can say, but this is something like roasting. So keep high flame and keep roasting this.
जब तक कि प्याज है ना नरम वो इसमें मिक्स हो जाएंगे जब तक कि प्याज और टमाटर अच्छे से मिक्स नहीं होता है
Onion and tomatoes. Now we will add liver also. Mix very well again. Keep roasting on high flame. अब क्या डालेंगे हमने? Now we will add curd. And again mix very well. High flame. This is very authentic recipe of liver and minced meat. High flame.
इसके दही के साथ 2 मिनट भून के फिर बाकी मसाले के
So now we will roast 2-3 minutes with this curd, and then we will add something very necessary, Indian spices. And while this I want to tell you, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe. Turmeric, red chili, and this is also a red chili. This is food color, chili flakes, red chilies. Now mix again very well. Coriander powder. This is roasted zira powder, and this one is cardamom powder.
इलायची पाउडर
Cardamom powder. Now we will add little bit of garam masala.
अभी नमक नहीं गया नमक डालेंगे अभी थोड़ा क्योंकि कलेजी है ना तो नमक इसमें थोड़ा बाद
Yes, the most important thing what we need to remember is do not add salt at this moment, because if we will add salt at this moment, then it will make liver little bit of hard.
अभी ये कलर थोड़ा सा भुनाई फिर एक सीटी लास्ट में
Okay.
फिर मिर्ची डालेंगे धनिया डालेंगे
Yes, 5-10 minutes we need to roast this on the high flame. This process called bhanai, and you must remember that bhanai is a very important part in Indian cuisine. Doesn't matter what dish you are cooking, but especially in the meat dishes like korma or any other meat dish, if you are going to cook, then you need to concentrate very good on bhanai. This process, you can say that roasting, because it helps to eliminate the raw flavor of all the spices. Now one thing I want to tell you here, that quantity of oil you can manage as per your choice. If you don't want the oily, then use 2 spoons of oil, any oil. And if you want little bit more oily, like in India what we call is curry, then you can add 4 spoons of oil. And Javitri and Jaifal powder. This is especially for the aroma.
हाँ बस किसी को पसंद हो किसी को नहीं।
Great fragrance.
बस ये भुनाई भी इसकी काफ़ी हो गई है।
अच्छा हो गई क्या?
भुनाई हो गई है, इसमें हरी मिर्ची जिसको पसंद है डाल दें। और ये सब हाँ।
So actually we have a special demand. Our sister wants a little bit of green chilies, whole green chilies. And if you don't have like this pressure cooker, then you can cook in the your wok. So eat this green chilies. And actually I also like this green chilies, whole green chilies with this keema and kaleji. Little bit of cilantro. For garnishing we will use later, but now at this moment need little bit of cilantro also. And now you are going to close this for 8 city Yes. Yes. And water also you can add as you want. We will take only one. That's it. Okay. So this is your Keema Kaleji is ready. You can enjoy this dish with the naan, or paratha, or Indian chapati. Check this. Yes, absolutely done. Try this authentic recipe of Keema Kaleji. Very delicious Indian authentic dish. This is my mother's recipe. The recipe is very delicious. So try this authentic Indian Keema Kaleji. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care. Bye bye. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe. Take care.